Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple yet incredibly useful feature on WhatsApp, the ability to view all shared files in a group directly from your PC. With the latest update, accessing files has never been easier. Whether you're searching for important documents, photos, or videos shared in a group, this guide will walk you through the steps. First, start by opening the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to explore your chats. Once the app is open, locate the group where you want to check the shared files. This could be a work group, a family chat, or any group you're part of. Click on the group to open the conversation. Next, look at the top of the chat window. You'll see the name of the group displayed prominently. Click on the group name, and this action will open up the contact info panel. This panel contains various options related to the group, including settings and shared content. Now, in the contact info panel, find and click on the option labeled Files. This will take you to a dedicated section where all files shared within that group are displayed. Here, you can browse through the list of files to find exactly what you're looking for, whether it's a document, an image, or a video. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you can access all shared files in any WhatsApp group directly from your PC. This feature is perfect for staying organized and ensuring that no important file gets lost in endless chats. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from it. Happy file browsing.